DJI Flycard 30. When its arms are fully open, it's almost 3 meters wide, about the same width as a small family car. Unlike most drones, this one isn't built to take photos. It's built to carry heavy cargo. It can lift up to 40 kilograms. That's about the weight of 4 fully packed travel suitcases. Even while carrying that much weight, it can fly several kilometers to deliver supplies where normal vehicles can't go. Powering this drone are 8 electric motors. If one motor suddenly stops working, the other motors help keep the drone stable, giving it much better chance of landing safely instead of falling from the sky. The Flycard 30 is also packed with smart technology. Its sensors can detect trees, buildings, power lines, and other obstacles, then automatically change its flight path without waiting for the pilot to react. This drone already helping workers in mountains, forests, construction sites, and disaster zones. Instead of spending hours carrying heavy equipment by hand, the Flycard 30 can deliver it in just few minutes. Zipline P2. It's about 2 meters wide, roughly the length of a dining table. Instead of delivering groceries, it's designed to carry medicines, vaccines, and blood to hospitals. It can fly at the speed of over 100 kilometers per hour. That's about as fast as a car driving on highway. It reaches remote hospitals much faster than many delivery vehicles. The drone flies almost completely on its own. Its navigation system consistently calculates the safest route and adjusts the flight whenever condition changes. When it arrives, it does not land. Instead, it hovers in the air and gently lowers the package on a cable before continuing its next delivery. Today, zipline drones have completed millions of deliveries. They help doctors save valuable time, especially in remote areas where every minute can make difference. EHang EH216S. It's about 6 meters wide from propeller to propeller, almost as wide as 2 small cars parked side by side. Unlike most drones, this one is built to carry passengers. It uses 16 electric propellers working together to lift the aircraft into the air. This design gives it extra stability and helps keep the flight smooth. The drone automatically handles takeoff, navigation, and landing without anyone controlling it during the flight. It is on board sensors constantly monitoring the surrounding. If something unexpected appears, the system reacts instantly to keep the flight safe. Passenger drones like this are already being tested in several cities. In the future, they could become a completely new way to travel above busy roads. Wing delivery drone. It's about 1.5 meters wide, roughly the size of the coffee table. It is designed to deliver small packages directly to your home. The drone flies at the speed of around 100 kilometers per hour. That's fast enough to avoid traffic and deliver many packages within minutes. Its electric motors use very little energy, while its smart computers consistently plan the safest flight path. This allows every delivery to be both fast and efficient. Instead of landing in your yard, the drone stays in the air. It slowly lowers the package using a cable, then immediately flies away to its next destination. Thousands of deliveries are already completed this way. What normally takes half an hour by road can sometimes take just a few minutes through the air. Skydo X10. It's about 70 centimeters wide, roughly the size of large TV. Instead of filming vacation, it's built to inspect dangerous places. The drone uses multiple cameras to scan everything around it. It created a detailed 3D map while flying. Its AI allows it to avoid walls, trees, cables, and other obstacles completely on its own. Even in tight space, it rarely needs help from a pilot. The Skydo X10 can also work in places where GPS signals are weak. This makes it useful inside factories, warehouses, tunnels, and large industrial buildings. Companies use it to inspect bridges, power lines, and construction sites without sending workers into dangerous areas, making inspection much safer and faster. XAG P100 Pro. It's almost 3 meters wide, about the same width as a small family car. Instead of carrying cameras, it is designed to help farmers take care of huge fields. The drone automatically sprays crops with incredible precision. Its large tank can cover wide areas while using less water and reduce waste. Using radar and smart sensor, it consistently measures the ground below. Even over uneven farmland, it keeps the perfect height during the entire flight. Farmers simply choose the area they wanted to treat. The drone plans the route by itself and completes the job with every little human effort. Today, drones like the XAG P100 are helping farmers becoming faster, more efficient, and more environmentally friendly while producing healthier crops.